In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Wix store with TikTok Shop. This process is simple and hassle-free. We will start from your Wix dashboard, and as your first task, you will need to navigate your way to the Wix app marketplace. In the marketplace, you'll find a diverse array of applications. Your job is to search for TikTok Shop, or alternatively, a specific app like OwnBase Sync TikTok Shop. After successfully locating the required app, you will find an Add to Site button on its interface. Click on this button to incorporate the said app to your website. Upon successful installation of the app, your next move would be connecting the accounts. Most likely, you will find this newly added application in your Wix menu, particularly in the Apps section. Open it to proceed further. Within the app, there would be a Settings or Connect section. This is where the fun begins. As you move ahead, you'll find some on-screen prompts. These instructions are essentially your guide in logging into your TikTok account and authorizing the connection between Wix and TikTok Shop. You may need to select your specific TikTok Shop account, or even create a new one, depending on the current situation. Now that the connection is established, the next stage involves syncing your products and managing orders. This is where you actually start benefiting from the app. Once the connection is active, the application will exhibit your Wix products. This presents a great opportunity for you to decide which product attributes you want to sync with the TikTok Shop. These attributes could range from inventory, price, or even images, depending on the specific needs of your business. Your products are ready to be published to the TikTok Shop through the app at this point. However, providing additional product details like the product category and brand could be essential to meet the TikTok Shop's prerequisites. Lastly, any new orders placed on TikTok Shop will automatically sync back to your Wix dashboard courtesy of the app. This automates the crucial order management process and avoids any chances of overselling, as the app will also update your inventory automatically. By the end of this process, you will have successfully integrated your Wix store with TikTok Shop, taking your business to a larger, more diverse market.